good. Perfect time for a video. Following up from last week's video where we were checking for some oil leaks in our regular maintenance and found some at the drain plug, and the side of the block was wet, so we cleaned that all up and left it for a week to see if we could see where it was all coming from. So also did some work on the suspension, just checking to make sure there's any looseness in the bushings, or we also checked the brake pads to make sure we had lots left. Transaxle, just checking the oil level on that, and checked the belts. And just did another inspection into the car to make sure everything's good. Alright, sitting a week, and we got some here, which is interesting. I'm not sure where that is coming from. I'm going to check the hydraulic clutch and see if it's coming from there. I got more coming from our little plug here. And so it looks wet up there. I'm gonna run it for a little bit because Blake needs a lift. So we'll do the shuffle. Nicest weekend we've had yet. So I've been working on the car's starter and that one, and battery, and now I gotta rotate the tires in that one. This one needs the oil change. This one's been running a while, so she's ready for her oil change. It's all warmed up. Fans are running for about 5 or 10 minutes. Alright, let's just get underneath and have a look at that. I've been running it for a while here now, so looking for oil. So got that spot there, that spot there. Can't see much of any change up there. No, don't see much of anything. And on the front side, which is pretty tough to see. Doesn't look like any change there. I see a bit, right on the front of that oil pan there. Maybe a bit there. That's about it, really. We'll check the fluids. This side looks okay. So I don't know. We're not learning much. Time for the oil change. Hold on, you're pretty good. I did get another one. You guys can see it. We get another drain, pressure washer. Washer. I'm just going to try a new washer this time. Next time I got another bolt too to put in there, but I think it's just another seal. Oh, got a bugger here. Slide on here. That's it then. Oh, I wanted to check the fluids up there to make sure nothing is leaking. The clutch. It's in the same color material, color oil. So it's in motor. Nice clean cap. The proper amount was 4.7 liters. There's 4.4 in here. You need all this and a little bit more. Right at the top. So once I fire it up, so likely be right in the middle. Gotta fill up the oil filter. Down the bottom line now. Maybe a bit more. I can do that. Added in more. Oh no, I'm changing it up a different oil. Alright, 1 or 2 plugs. There. Yes. Better if I didn't need it all over again. There you go, it's right on halfway. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's right there. Just above halfway. I'm good with that. Alright, next. Back underneath here, checking after running for a bit. No leaks there. And no leaks there. Alright. Alright, I just want to check the fluids out of the front bonnet here. I leave it open all winter so that it doesn't, the latch there doesn't end up putting pressure on the fiberglass, you know, sort of thing, so it's not causing an issue. And the one in the middle there, which is, what's that, front, rear brake? I can't remember now. So that one's low. It's not leaking anywhere in there. I have to check underneath. That's what I use. Don't get it on the car paint, especially. I don't think I see anything, but more. Yep. One more. Pretty good. Right there. Well, I'm trying to find it. At least it's full. Back underneath, just looking for the brake lines and what might be leaking. And I don't see nothing. Nowhere. I'll just have to keep an eye on that and see, maybe the reservoir or the master pumped up. I don't know. No leaks anywhere. Well, that's about all the time we got for this week. Didn't get a lot done to it, but anyways, a little bit, and I needed to run it. It's been about a month. You know, last time I ran it was Christmas. It's beginning of February right now, so I like to run it every month anyway. So it's a good time to do the oil change and, you know, let it breathe a bit. So that's all for now. This will be fun. I haven't rotated tires in these. They don't look light either. Well, that's all about the time we have for this week. Just went focused, didn't you? Well, that's about all the time we got for this week. Holy cow, he's